So I'm in this meeting for work, and I'm getting over a cold, and my nose is tickling like crazy. And you got to do the whole thing where you can't let anybody know that you're sick. And I just had to sneeze so badly. I'm like biting my, putting my lip, biting my lip to. Well, I had to sneeze, and I finally just got back to my office so I can let him out, because my nose was just driving me crazy. And oh God, I hope nobody's paying any attention to this in the other offices. I'm down the hall, so oh God, my shirt's all wet. Oh God, such a relief. Now, if I could just get the email to stop and my phone to stop ringing so I could get some rest.